It's Steve and Bob the Blob Adventures in Space.
Yeah!
Ho, ho, ho.
This is my classroom in my school. This is my board because I am a teacher. Hey, pretend to be a teacher like me. You say, I'm a teacher, I'm a teacher, I'm a teacher. And again, come on. I'm a teacher, I'm a teacher, I'm a teacher. Well done. Oh, great, lunchtime. I'm hungry. Where's my bag?
Hey, Steve! Catch!
What, Maggie?
Hello! Oh, so that's how you go to sleep on your planet, like this! Oh, I'm going to show everybody back home!
No! Stop! Wait!
And this, little blobs, is how they go to sleep on Steve and Maggie's planet! Oh, hello!
Stop,
What?
Bobby, no! That's not how we go to sleep.
No?
No.
Then you can show us what these crazy things are!
Okay, can you help me tell all the little blobs what these things are? Oh, look, what is it?
Oh.
Yeah, it's a bag. It's a green bag. Say it with me. It's a green bag.
Oh, it's a green bag.
It's a green bag. Yeah, it's a green bag with orange zigzags.
Yeah. Now what's this?
Oh, yeah, what is it? That's right. It's a desk.
Wow.
It's a brown desk. So say it with me. What is it? It's a brown desk.
Oh,
it's a brown desk.
It's
a brown desk.
Wow.
You sit by the desk, Bobby, in
What?
the classroom.
On the desk?
No, not on the desk, by the desk. You need a chair.
What's a chair?
Just a moment. Hold on.
Oh!
Maggie, I need a chair.
Oh, okay, Steve. A chair! Coming, Steve! Here you are! Catch!
Oh no! Look out, Steve! Don't worry, I've got it.
Thank you, Bobby.
So this is a chair?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a chair. It's a yellow chair. Say it with me. What is it? It's a yellow chair. What is it? It's a yellow chair. What is it? It's a yellow chair.
Well done, little blobs.
The chair, the desk,
Yeah.
and the bag
Yes.
come from my classroom,
Wow.
where I teach children using a board. Oh, hold on.
Oh, Steve, I know what a board is. Here it is.
Oh, no, Bobby, that is a surfboard.
Oh,
No.
sorry, this one.
Look, no, that's a
Uh-oh.
snowboard. I mean a board that a teacher can write on.
Oh, okay, here you are, a
Yeah,
board.
that's it.
Oh.
So look, what is it? Yeah,
It's a board.
It's a board, and it's white.
Yes.
So say with me, come on. It's a whiteboard. What is it?
It's
a
a
whiteboard.
whiteboard.
What is it?
It's
a
a whiteboard.
Great,
Yeah.
well done.
Oh no, an alien attack. Oh.
Oh no, it's not an alien attack.
What?
It's my tummy. It's rumbling because I'm hungry.
Oh.
This is my lunchtime. I'm going to eat. See you later. Yay.
Bye-bye, Steve. Well done, little blobs.